Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at the TechTrader.com. It's Monday, the 22nd of August. These are the charts of the day. It wasn't a very pretty day. It was a nasty day on Wall Street, and yet there's always stocks looking good, and we are trading them both ways. Today, AEHR popped about 4%. Not a big deal. And the volume wasn't huge either, but I like the way the stock's consolidating in here, and I want to make it a chart of the day because I think the setup is wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth wave. I'm looking for 24. I believe we're going to get there, but we obviously need to get the breakout for starters over, say, 18.75 with energy. APRN big day today, exploded from 471 to 709. After hours traded at 655, up 169, a 35% gain. Solid volume of 25.8 million, and it completely engulfed the bar. So at this point, you can see that the resistance and the next target might be right up here. I'll be looking for something around the 8.5, 9 zone. AXSM, beautiful chart, beautiful base, massive breakout, a nice follow through day today. I think we're going higher, looking for mid 70s, high 80s. Boyle, it looks like the nat gas ETFs are moving. This was up the natural gas was up 4.some-odd% today, and this one popped 1181 or 11%, and volume was good too. So it looks to me right at resistance here. The next target will be a challenge of the spike high at 140, which occurred in June. You get through that, you're looking at something that could be substantially higher. In that same realm is UNG, which is even better because it broke out above the June high and now may be headed to near 40. BTU, the coal sector, really channeling up beautifully, jumped another $1.14 or 4.4% today. Volume was solid, and I think the stock will be moving up towards 30 and then 32, 33. ENVX, well, after exploding and running hard from the July low around 7.75 range, is 26 and change. Came down pretty hard last week, but today was a nice reversal. 1870 to 2218, finished 22 up 294, 15.5% gain. Volume surged to 9.7 million. Looks to me like it's going to try to retest mid 20s. Neptune, bottom line is it popped and went from $1.57 to $2.54, nearly a point. Finished or was traded at 226 after hours, 54 cents, 31% gain. It's a low price stock. Target would be 3.5 roughly. Any RV Minerva with a big spike reversal has gone from 304 to 519. As high as that, traded at 464 near the close up, 154. Almost a 50% gain today. 18 million share traded. And your next target will be somewhere around 5.25. We get through that, you could see 7 again, way up there. Range Resources in the oil sector is broken out of a consolidation zone. It looks like it may be headed for a retest of 37.8 and then something in the low 40s. I like to look at that. SGML and the lithium group, one of the stronger lithium stocks, really nice reversal pattern. Taking it from 1880 to 2250. A 4-point pop. And once we get above the 23.5 area, I could see stock at 27.5. SWN, another oil stock with a V bottom right-hand extension, held support there. Broke out today across the double, triple top, and inverse head and shoulder type pattern. And now we look like we're headed to 8.5 and then 9.75, 10. TMDX also popped today. You can see the consolidation zone. Today's pop was 337 or 7.4%, and it looks to me like it's going to extend and run it to the, call it low to mid 50s. And finally, VIPS, a massive, large inverse head and shoulders going back to December. But the key to today's action was that this rising channel bottom and this wedge pattern broke out with the energy 13 million plus, up 8.7%. Now I'm looking for a run to 11.5. and 13. Those are my targets. Let's look at some of the hot stocks that we're moving today at TechTrader.com. Good night, everyone.